Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you the best tips and tricks of Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. By the way, guys, in this video, I'm using Samsung A55 5G, but both the devices A35 and A55 is same. So this method is applicable on both the device. So the first tips and tricks is you can edit or customize your lock screen by long pressing on the lock screen. Okay, now you can customize your clock style. You can set a calendar here in place of clock, and you can change up the font style here by using these fonts. Okay, after that guys, you can add widgets here. Like I want to add the widget of battery here, so I'm using this widget. And other than that, we can use any other widget also from selecting here. Guys, if you want icon only option, you can set it. If you want details, so you can set a details version, so that your message, if you have any message, so all the content will be appear. But I want icon only here. And after that guys, we can set it up a contact information. Like I want to set my mobile name Mobileinto, so my contact information is now safe. And the most important guys, you can set up the shortcuts, or you can change the shortcuts also by tapping here. This one is a camera, by the way. I want to set it up a flashlight, so the flashlight is now set. This is a call log, I want to set as gallery, so now the gallery is now set. Click done. So this one is the first tips and tricks. After that guys, if you want to hide any application from anyone, and you want to hide any application from the menu, so all you guys have to do is just tap here and then go to settings. Then scroll down. Here you guys see we have an option of hide apps on home and app screen. So I want to hide Facebook here, so just tap on the Facebook. I want to hide the gallery also, and then click done. Okay, go back, and as you guys see, the Facebook and gallery is now hide. This is how we can hide any application in Galaxy A35. Now if you want to again unhide it, so just go to this option, just cancel it, and then click done. So as you guys see, the application is now enabling here. The next thing is guys, we can use a power button for a flashlight also, for a camera also. Like if you want to quick access your camera, so and you want to enable this feature, so you have to go to the advanced feature. Now go to side button and tap on open app. Okay, by the way, it is already set on quick launch app. So when you double press your power button, so your camera will be appear. And if you want to use this feature for any other thing, like for flashlight, so just tap on the flashlight by going to open app, and then now double press here, so that your flashlight will be enabled and then disable. So these are all the hidden tips and tricks guys, which you know about Galaxy A35 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.